Alright, welcome to our tutorial on how to use Yahoo Finance. I normally use it when I'm doing quick research. For example, I used it in our Money Minute on shorting Best Buy that I posted earlier last week. So the first thing that I do is go to finance.yahoo.com, and once I'm there, I'm going to go to the Get Quotes section. Okay, I'm going to use the quote that we used from the Money Minute, which was Best Buy. So I type in BBY, and you'll notice that the common stock will come up. It'll also have a description of a couple of the other possible matches for BBY. If you're not sure what the ticker symbol is, you can type in the name of the company. And so typing in Best Buy will bring up everything that matches Best Buy, whether it's traded on the New York Stock Exchange or some of the other stock exchanges. And the first thing it's going to do is bring you to this overall quote page. A snapshot of the information that you'll need is going to be right here. It has the last trade and even what price it was trading in after hours and the last trade that was placed in the after hours trading. It'll tell you what the price opened at, the close, the range, all this information. That's kind of a quick snapshot of what you need to make good decisions. So usually the next thing I go to after looking at the price, especially if I've been following the stock for a while and I know what the price had been before, I just want to see an update, so I'll check out the price, and then I automatically go to looking at the chart. And this is just because I'm a visual learner. I like to look at the chart, I like to see what's going on, and it will have the price action for however long of a time frame that you selected. So I chose 5 years. The first thing you're going to want to do is click on Profile after you look at the chart. The profile is going to give you just a quick snapshot of what the company is, what they do, their index that they an industry that they operate in, who are some of their key executives. It'll also give you the company homepage so that you can go to their investor relations site as well to get more information there. So if I decide that this is the industry that I want to be in, which is electronic stores and services, then I can go ahead and start looking at some of the key statistics that go along with this company. So key statistics will have all of the important measures that are usually used to evaluate the profitability of a stock. So the market cap, which we've talked about this before in one of our previous articles, which I'll link to in this post as well, about what each of these things are and why they're important. So you're going to get all of your financial highlights here. You have your trading information, share statistics, and balance sheet. So these are all the numbers that you're going to want to look through and use those to kind of get an idea of whether you want to buy or sell this stock, or any stock for that matter. Okay, so that's how I use Yahoo Finance to research a stock. Usually what I start with is the summary page, and this is what will come up when you first type in your ticker symbol for Get Quotes. I'll also look at an interactive chart, 5 year. I usually look at a 6 month, and a couple different time frames. I look at some of the key statistics, and if I'm not familiar with the company yet, then I'll look at a company profile just to get an overview of it. One last thing that you can do is look at some of the headlines to see if there's any news that's been coming out with the stock. That's a good place to get some information, further reading, good research. And that's how I use Yahoo Finance.